This lock doesn't have key, but we don't need to change whole lock. We can change only barrel like this. You can buy like this barrel. It around $35, $40, like that. First we have to remove those two screws. When you remove those two screws, you can push that lever a little bit inside, and then you can remove the handle like this. Then we have to remove this two screw. When you remove this one, you need to hold that side, otherwise this handle will fall down. You have to remove carefully and hold that one as well. Okay, we remove this one. We can remove this handle like this. Okay, now you can remove this barrel like this. You have to remove this bracket, and then you can put this barrel like this, and then you can put this one as well. Okay, now we have installed new barrel. Now we can install it. First we can put it like this. When you install this one, now you can install handle. When you install the handle, we have to do same thing. We have to push the lever inside and then install like this, and then we can fix this two screw, and that's all. Now we will close the door and we'll see.